It's a race. Who can eat the fastest? This one's a mama. She doesn't let anyone near these peanuts. And she sits right here with me. Lays right here with me. They're so good. They're such good friends, backyard friends. I couldn't help filming them. I'm just chilling in the backyard. You hear them all munching? That's what makes me laugh. If you sit here long enough, they'll all just fly in. All right. We've got a dove here. Hi, Mama, you're really eating up everything, huh? Yeah. I just pulled in. When I pull in, they all show up. They're not stupid. Let's see some action. I can't even keep up with them. Mama won. See? She's a mama. I could see her pouch a few days ago, but you can see it's... I'm sure people don't want to see rodents. Some people call them. Every day I come out here, a new flower is blooming. Okay, we got 3. This one's a baby, I think. Hey. We got 3 of them now. There's... A territorial battle. There they go. Mama wins again. Chowing. Hurry, hurry. The world's coming to an end. Hurry. Ain't that the truth? Oh, the beautiful grackle. Look at this gothic beauty. Look at those colors. He loves peanuts. Oh, that was great. Ciao for now. No fighting. Leave this little one over here alone. We'll end it with Mama in the grass. Look at all the color blooming. And Mama, lay down. That's a European starling. They know I don't like them here. Hi, little one. This little one takes, not the pigeon, which is aka a rock dove. Huh? He's coming around. He's the little one that takes it from my hand. So does Mama. See, he's trying to get to me. Nope. Mama says, no, she's mine. Hi, little one, hurry up and find a peanut. I don't have any in my hand. I don't have any. Go ahead, find one. I threw a bunch. Nope. He's leaving. How he's rubbing in the grass. They are pretty. They're actually called rock doves. And they do eat up everything and make it nice and clean. Alrighty then. Oh, you gotta showcase this because it's almost done. And white dogwood. I just went and found some real pretty pictures, trees. Spectacular. Ciao.